Because the Glenn School has such a tight-knit community, it's super easy for me to make connections with my professors. That really helps me when I want to go on to my master's program, that they can help me write letters of rec and just get to know me for me and help me through that process, but also connect me with professionals in the field I want to go into, which is economic and downtown development. Over the summer, I worked as a communications director on a local alderwoman's campaign in St. Louis City. During that time, I managed a team of 3. I coordinated all our social media posts and sent out emails. Through that experience, I learned how to align communication with the key values of a campaign and someone else's goals. The Glenn College has prepared me for success because within the classes, we have hands-on experience. So not only are you learning the knowledge you're supposed to know, but you're actually applying it, which has helped me in my role as communications director. Professor Zamamra in specific, we do a lot of case studies in our classes and have to draft quick responses, which really helped me in a short campaign.